Good morning and welcome to VSA Capital 5 Minute Morning Miner. It's Tuesday, the 30th of August. We've all come back from bank holiday weekend, and actually a lot of people hopefully come back from holiday. Come on, it's time we got down and did a bit of work, got on with it. Morning, Paul. How was your weekend?
My weekend was fine, thank you. And my birthday yesterday was fine too.
It was your birthday yesterday. Happy birthday.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks.
I don't think we'll ask what your age is. Not that's because you're a lady. You're not. You're a bloke. Let's put it this way. You certainly have a freedom pass on the tube and buses, don't you, Paul?
Yes, that's right.
But then I do as well. None of us are getting any younger, as they say. Now let's move to the commodity markets, or at least natural resources. This morning, why don't we start? Actually, we start with Shanghai Mining Club member because we love all the members of the Shanghai Mining Club. Macango had a bit of news out today, didn't they? Or reports out, discussion paper, whatever they call it in Canada.
Yes, we had 6-month interim results out for Macango here. More or less, it's past tense kind of news here, and the really significant or more significant news so far this year was post-period end when they put the DFS out on the Songwe Hill rare earth deposit there in Malawi. For the 6-month period, they had a cash position at June 30 retained of $1.4 million. So they'll be looking probably to get some cash in during this half here. Net loss for the period was $5.3 million compared to $3.5 million for the prior year. And again, it was all about working on getting that feasibility study completed. They also signed a non-binding term sheet facility with Kotek Holdings in conjunction with their rare earth magnet recycling initiative as well. So Kotek coming in with 2 million pounds over a convertible note here in order to support that initiative.
And remember, they have some quite interesting partners, so they're able to bring capital in, actually not necessarily through the markets, but through other routes. So just bear that in mind. And they're also very careful with their capital, to be honest with you. They always have been. They're a very good management team. That's what you get if you're a Shanghai Mining Club member. You get plenty of airtime on our podcast, which is why everybody should join up. Oh, I'm starting to sound like a stuck record. Okay, let's. I'll tell you the other one that caught my eye. Goldstone, run by Emma Priestley out in Ghana. They've started something up, Paul, haven't they?
Well, yes, they're trying to bootstrap a gold operation there in Ghana in the Akrikari trend, and this particular announcement out today is they've started a 1,500-meter drill program around on their license area in the Akrikari mine area. This is a shallow drilling oxide style higher grade mineralization they'll be targeting here. In other words, they're looking for easy mineralization that they might put through on this mine startup that they have underway.
What I like though was the pictures in the RNS. I do like a few pictures in the RNS. Now going back to Shanghai Mining Club members, also Cerrado Gold on the TSX. They've had some results. They actually back last Friday, I think, but we haven't seen them yet. So what were they?
Yes, that's right. Released late Friday. This was production statement out for Q2 for the TSX listed the Latin American gold producer Cerrado Gold. 11,300 ounces produced during Q2, in line with the guidance for the year of 45 or at least 45,000 ounces of production. The average head grade, though, was down. That was part of the mining sequence in scheduling for the mine there in Argentina that is operating 3.44 grams per ton here in this case. But they do expect that now to improve again during the second half as the mining sequence moves to better grade material. All-in sustaining cost $1,409 an ounce, and in part that is worsened again because of the lower head grade. But they also have been struggling with some of the inflationary cost pressures on supplies for the operating mine in Argentina. But the Brazil project to upgrade resources at Monte do Carmo and the feasibility work are still proceeding on to plan on that mine in Brazil.
Okay. There's not a lot of news in the UK, but is there anything else you want to point out around the world, Paul?
Yeah, we like that exploration story. ASX listed Sunstone Metals with the Brahma Alba porphyry discovery in Ecuador. And they announced the best hole assays yet from hole 30, this one from hole 34 on this new porphyry discovery. 202 meters at 0.88 grams gold equivalent, predominantly gold with about 0.13% copper. And that's within an interval that's over 363 meters at slightly lower grade, and it is still open as far as that mineralization is concerned. So just a nice making progress here for a junior.
Very good. You do love a good assay, Paul.
Mhm.
And you've got over all your COVID. You're now negative, aren't you?
That is correct.
Very good. All right. Look, we'll call it a day there and we'll speak again tomorrow.
See you then.